Hey you guys, here's a quick review of how to do the distance between points, and I hope something that might clarify it. So here's my take on the whole thing. So I'm going to get you started on this crazy business. First, let me get rid of some things off of my screen, like all my typing here. This is a little on the messy side, but I think I can clear this all out of here. Let's just get the eraser out here. Erase. Okay, so back at it. So anyway, as I erase all those for you, I'm going to put 2 points on here, and then I realize, oh man, look what I just did. Did you guys check out my points? There's 3, 4 up there, and then negative 1, 2. You guys ever mess those up? It's actually not negative 1, 2. I messed those two up. What is that? Let's fix that. Negative 2, comma 1. So double check that you can plot points. It's the x-coordinate first, left and right, and then the y-coordinate second, the up and down. And here's the distance formula that we've been talking about in class. Let me clarify something really. The first parenthesis about the distance between the x's, we'll square that. The second one is the distance between the y's. We'll square that. Now we see it as x2 minus x1, this thing squared, then y2 minus y1, then square it. Just think of when you subtract two numbers, it's the distance between them. So I'm going to just call that first parenthesis distance between x's, and then the second one distance between y's. Now what I'm going to find out is that the distance between y's, that blue marking, is just how far apart they are vertically. One is at a height of 1, the other is at a height of 4. And so that distance between 1 and 4, their y-coordinates, should be 3, right? Just looking at it. And then x's, we're going from a x of negative 2, left 2, and then one of positive 3. Well, from negative 2 to 3, we're talking about 5 spaces. You can count them there, or just know negative 2 and 3 are 5 apart. So those are my two distances of x is y. Between x's is, is 5. The distance between y's is 3. You can see it there. That's what goes in those parentheses. So if I take and finish this up, 5 squared for the distance between the x's squared, 3 squared, distance between y's squared, and then squaring, I get 25 and 9, add them to get 34, and in the end you just take the square root of that, I get 5.83. Here's how I get it on the calculator. I hit 3, 4, and then hit the square root button. Now your calculators may ask you to do the square root first and then do 34. You know, how that works on yours depends on your device, but that's how it goes on mine. So that's the quick recap. Take a look at this again, see if you can make sense of it. But that's the distance formula. Hope that helps.